In the mystery of science, some truths remain shrouded, whispered only in the shadows of history. We speak of a discovery that unlocked the very blueprint of life, yet its true architect often remains unseen. Her story, a diamond of light and dark, reveals not just a scientific triumph, but a profound injustice. She was the unsung heroine, the ghost behind DNA. Her name was Rosalind Franklin, and her vision illuminated the invisible. This is the tale of a brilliant mind whose crucial contribution was nearly lost to time. Born into a world of rigid expectations, young Rosalind in London questioned everything. She sought the hidden structures beneath the surface, driven by an insatiable curiosity. Her mind saw the universe as a puzzle waiting to be solved. At Cambridge, she defied societal norms, excelling in physics and chemistry. For her, molecules were not mere particles, but intricate architecture, crystalline dreams waiting to be understood. She possessed a unique ability to visualize the unseen. During wartime, her intellect served a practical purpose, studying coal for gas mask development. This early work honed her meticulous approach and laid the groundwork for her future breakthroughs. She was a scientist of profound dedication from the very beginning. After the war, Rosalind found her true calling and a sense of liberation in Paris. There, she immersed herself in the arcane art of X-ray crystallography. She learned to bend invisible waves into visible truths, each photographic plate a revelation. She mastered the delicate dance of light and matter, coaxing secrets from atomic structures. Her skills became unparalleled, her understanding of molecular arrangements profound. Each experiment was a step closer to unveiling nature's deepest designs. This period forged her into a scientist of extraordinary precision and clarity. She developed an unwavering belief in empirical evidence, a trait that would define her most significant work. Paris was her crucible, refining her genius. Returning to Britain, Rosalind joined King's College, stepping into a world charged with rivalry. Her task was monumental: to solve the structure of DNA, the very molecule of heredity. The stakes were immeasurably high. With unwavering focus, she meticulously coaxed DNA fibers into perfect alignment. These delicate threads, once prepared, could then be subjected to powerful X-ray beams. Her patience and precision were legendary. Yet she faced immense challenges, not least the pervasive sexism of the era. Her brilliance was often met with dismissiveness, her authority undermined. Despite this, she pressed onward, driven by the pursuit of truth. Then, it happened. Through her lens, she captured photograph 51, a single image that would change biology forever. It was a dark cross, surrounded by rings, a pattern of undeniable significance. This was no ordinary picture. She recognized it instantly, the unmistakable signature of a helix, the very shape of life itself. In her hands, she held the most important biological image of the century. It was the definitive proof, the visual key to DNA's structure. This photograph was more than just data. It was a revelation. It spoke volumes about the double helix, its dimensions, and its repeating patterns. Photograph 51 was the silent, undeniable witness to life's fundamental architecture. Tragically, photograph 51 was shown to Watson and Crick without Franklin's knowledge or consent. Her groundbreaking data, obtained through painstaking effort, became their shortcut. The ethical lines were blurred, then erased. They used her precise measurements and the undeniable clarity of her image to build their double helix model. Their names raced ahead, celebrated globally, while hers was buried in footnotes, an afterthought. The world applauded their insight. The emotional toll on Franklin was immense, a brilliant mind misunderstood and marginalized. Her contribution, so pivotal, was systematically overlooked. This betrayal cast a long shadow over her extraordinary achievement. Despite the injustice, Rosalind Franklin remained an uncompromising scientist. She was often dismissed as difficult by colleagues, simply for her unwavering demand for clarity and precision. Her integrity was mistaken for inflection. She continued her work, often in the margins of recognition, treated as a ghost in the very field she helped define. Her dedication to scientific truth never wavered, even as her personal struggles mounted. She pursued knowledge relentlessly. Her uncompromising nature was not a flaw, but a testament to her scientific rigor. She sought only the truth, unvarnished and precise. This unwavering commitment defined her entire career. After the DNA work, Rosalind moved on, her intellect undimmed, to research viruses and RNA. She meticulously mapped the complex structure of the tobacco mosaic virus, another monumental achievement. Her contributions continued to reshape biology. She was on the cusp of even greater discoveries when her body began to fail. Likely a consequence of unshielded radiation exposure from her early X-ray work, illness took hold. The very tools of her genius had exacted a terrible price. Rosalind Franklin died prematurely at the age of 37 from ovarian cancer. Her brilliant career, so full of promise, was cut tragically short. The scientific world lost a visionary far too soon. 3 years after her death, Watson, Crick, and Wilkins received the Nobel Prize for the discovery of DNA. Her chair remained empty, a stark symbol of her absence and the injustice. History would eventually correct this oversight. It is now widely acknowledged that without her photograph 51, the double helix might have remained hidden for years. Her crucial role in the discovery of DNA is undeniable, ensuring her story is finally remembered. Her legacy endures. Today, her name is increasingly recognized, her contributions celebrated in museums and textbooks worldwide. The compelling and informative account of her life ensures her rightful place in scientific history. She is no longer a ghost. The enduring impact of her vision is present in every cell, every breath, every spark of life. She was the woman who looked at shadows and saw the very shape of life. Rosalind Franklin, the true architect of DNA's revelation.